And I would like to tell you guys that there are pre-order shirts of Philodendron Bohol, just in case a lot of viewers in this channel are from Bohol, or if ever you are from Bohol but you are residing outside the province. Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we have here two types of mother plants and we will be doing two separate techniques for them. In this video, you will be seeing the two types of layering that will work best depending on the situation of your mother plant. So we have here Philodendron Prince Albert and our Royal Queen. If you are interested in this video para makita nyo rin kung ano talaga yung perfect type of layering na pwede nyo gawin every time meron kayong mother plant, then keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! The top cut is this one, which is super huge na and is really due for propagation. We will just look for a pot na bagay sa kanya. Tapos, ito yung product ng air layering. Malaki na siya ngayon. Ayan, naglabas na din siya ng mga aerial roots. So, baka in no time, mapopropagate na namin siya. I think the cycle of the plants here in our garden are really getting faster. Parang halos every week meron kaming dapat i-propagate. And here we have today is another shoot from that same mother plant of those two Royal Queens that I have showed you earlier. Meron na siyang aerial root, guys. Unfortunately, nag-dried up na yung tip niya. So, baka mamatay tong root na to, guys. And hindi pa nga umaabot sa soil. We need to rescue this one. That's why we will be doing air layering. So, alam nyo naman, nasabi ko na before in our previous video, na perfect yung air layering para sa mga shoots na medyo nasa taas, hindi agad maaabot ng roots yung soil. So, ayan, we have prepared the plastic bottle that we will be needing for this one. And eto naman sa kabila is the Prince Albert, guys. Since medyo mababa lang yung shoots niya, we will be doing the mound layering. Mound layering is just a term which is most likely an extension of the pot kasi nasa mababa lang yung shoots niya. And we have two shoots as well. Meron na nga siyang pangatlo, but I think we can just propagate two by the time na pwede na natin siyang ma-propagate after we do the mound layering. So, let's see what's gonna happen today. We have removed two petioles, guys, kasi damaged na yung leaves niya. So, para hindi na tayo mag-adjust sa maraming petiole, we left only one leaf na okay pa and wala namang damage. Na-insert na niya yung entire shoot dito sa plastic bottle. And for this one, as I have told you, madami na siyang naibigay na shoot sa amin. Yung iba nga naipamigay na namin. Meron na namang isa na lumalabas dito. Etong mga ganitong types of shoots, guys, na sa soil lang gagaling, mas mataba po sila compared dun sa iba na hinahayaan lang namin na tumubo. But if we do this, magkasing taba lang sila, guys, and magkasing healthy. That's why we are really into layering, guys, every time we do propagation, especially if we want something faster. I have told you, medyo madami-dami na din yung kailangan na naman naming i-propagate. All we need are the right size of pots because a lot of them will be the top cut na. Kasi yung mga tricolor na yan, sobrang lalaki na nila, guys. So, anyway, guys, for all the layerings that we did in the past, we usually use aloe vera, guys, as our natural root booster. Pinapahid po namin siya sa kung saan pwedeng lumabas yung mga roots. And we really do believe in this kasi bumibilis talaga yung pagdami ng mga roots, guys. Nakikita nyo naman every time we film about the final result of our layering techniques, naglalabas talaga ng madaming roots yung mga shoots. Apart from the fact na sobrang nakakatulong yung layering, guys, naglalagay pa kami ng aloe vera, mas nagiging effective siya. To fasten both ends, we just used the staple wire, guys. So, syempre, gumamit kami ng stapler. And as you can see, ito yung nagko-close dito sa ends niya. After that, maglalagay lang tayo ng potting media. Of course, we have prepared the potting media that we will be using, guys. For air layering, we make sure to use the lighter type of potting media. So, that's really no soil para mas magaan siya since it's not really touching the soil. So, for this one, I think we will be using some sort of a stand para hindi lumaylay siya and hindi mahirapan yung mother plant na meron na siyang kinicarry na weight. Kahit sabihin pa nating lightweight yung ginagamit namin na plastic bottle along with the potting media that it has, syempre nag-a-add pa din siya ng weight from the normal weight that it is used to. Kailangan nating maglagay ng brace, guys, para hindi siya mabali. So, that is it for our first step. But for mound layering, guys, since hindi naman siya mabibigatan, you can use soil if that's what you are used to, especially in propagating. Kapag yun talaga yung usual na ginagamit nyo. Kasi every time nagpo-propagate na kami, hindi namin inaalis lahat ng components na ginamit namin during layering para maging at home pa din siya. And kahit nilipat na namin siya sa new pot, hindi siya manibago. That's why if you are comfortable in using soil, then you may use it in mound layering. Just do not do it in air layering kasi mabibigatan yung mother plant. Or Black Majesty, guys, hindi namin na-propagate agad. And then, humaba lang ng humaba yung stem. And then, hindi naman umaabot sa soil yung mga roots kasi nga medyo mahaba na ang ending sa kanya na bali. Just when we decided to propagate it, naunahan na kami na bali siya. I don't know if meron bang umatake sa kanya. Basta something like that happened. So, ayan, itinutusok lang niya yung gagamitin namin brace, guys. Ayan, kawayan lang. Tapos, nilagyan lang din ng coconut fiber para hindi siya maging madulas. So, this is how we usually do it. Marami kasi kaming mga mother plants, guys, that are placed somewhere else. Hindi dyan sa linya na yan. So, nakalagay sila somewhere na okay sila. Kasi yung mga mother plants, guys, hindi na sila maaarte. So, they can thrive anywhere here in our garden. Ito nga, kahit naiinitan, go pa din. Tapos, for this one, I'm just so excited because it really gives us beautiful shoots, guys, from the past. Walang palya yung binibigay niya sa amin. Magagandang shoot talaga. Yan lang yung isa na naka-air layering. Nabutas po siya kasi nung hindi pa kami gumagamit ng net, nababagsakan siya nung mga dagda. As what I have told you, talagang nasisira nila yung dahon. Right now, yung hindi abot ng stapler, guys, itong pinakababa, nilalagyan niya ng coconut fiber to somehow cover the open parts kasi meron pang open part dito sa pinakababa para hindi lumabas yung ilalagay natin na potting media. Completely soilless for this one. So, okay na tayo. We will move on to the mound layering. So, sabay-sabay natin silang gagawin today. That is what's exciting because we haven't done it, guys. This is the first time that we will be doing it na sabay na dalawang magkaibang layering yung gagawin namin. Is that a recycled ko, ana?
Recycle ito yung ang pinagalingan nito yung tricolor.
Ah, okay. So, same plastic yung ginagamit namin dito. Nahugasan lang, kaya medyo hindi na maduming tingnan. Pag-produce na pala yung plastic na yan, sobrang ganda kasi ng mga result ng mga layering na to, guys, kasi malalaki na yung shoots talaga. Hindi sila dadaan sa point na talagang pumapayat pa sila kasi super well supported na, madami ng roots once you cut them. So, wala na tayong poproblemahin when it comes to the recovery stage. Alright. Don't worry, I will be updating you as to how it will look like kapag tumubo na. Just like the air layering that was done before, wala po ako nung ginagawa yung mound layering na yon. I just did the voiceover for that video. Pero for this one, live ko siyang makikita. So, it's the first time. And, i-close niya lang dyan. Ayan, guys, both of them are ready and maglalagay na lang tayo ng potting media. But for now, naglalagay muna siya ng mga coconut fiber para hindi magkaroon ng mga sugat-sugat ang dahon na iniwan natin for the Prince Albert. And I would like to tell you guys that there are pre-order shirts of Philodendron Bohol just in case a lot of viewers in this channel are from Bohol, or if ever you are from Bohol but you are residing outside the province, meron po tayong pre-order na Philodendron Bohol shirts available po. Ipopost na lang din po namin magkano siya. Of course, the designs will be here on the screen. Papakita namin sa inyo, guys. Baka merong gustong bumili or merong gustong mag-avail sa inyo. And i-announce na lang po namin yung price once na finalize na. Of course, that wouldn't be made possible if not for Mr. Michael Yu, moderator po natin sa Philodendron Bohol, and of course, Luke Francois Trotten, and Sir Gerald Renico. Ayan, thank you so much po. I do hope that you will support those Philodendron Bohol shirts. And as far as I know, pag nagla-launch po ng products si Sir Michael Yu, most of them are being done for a cause. So, abangan po natin yung full details when it comes to those shirts that will be available soon. And I do hope na mag-avail din po kayo. Looking forward and I'm even excited for that project to pursue. As you can see guys, meron siyang soil because we will do mound layering for this. So, it doesn't have to be light. Okay lang naman siya. Makakaya naman siyang i-handle ng pot na to guys. So, nasa baba lang naman siya. There's nothing to worry. Ito kasing pinipare, meron yata tong soil. Kasi ito yata yung ginamit ko for the aglonemas. And it will be fine for the philodendrons, guys. Hindi naman ganun ka-arte yung Prince Albert. It's really not that high maintenance. For this one lang, i-make sure natin na light yung potting media na ilalagay. Kasi medyo mataas siya. Of course, para hindi din mabigatan yung mother plant. Even if we do have a brace dito sa baba. Ayan, super dali lang ng mound layering and air layering. I just wanted to discuss what is the best type of layering for different kinds of mother plants. Kasi iba-iba po talaga yung itsura ng paglalabas ng shoots ng mother plants, guys. And I do hope that you have learned something from this, especially if you are just beginners and you wanna try out this type of technique para padali po natin yung pagpapadami ng mga philodendrons. This is so easy, guys. You don't have to water it often. Hahayaan mo lang yan ng ganyan. Tapos, once you check it, meron na siyang madaming roots. I can assure you. And if you have aloe veras at home, do not forget to make use of that kasi malaki po ang tulong ng aloe veras. Since I have told you that we will be using something lightweight for the air layering, guys, most of what we are putting inside are the coconut fibers, shredded coconut fibers, guys. And then, mag-a-add lang siguro tayo ng konti. Just enough for the roots to pop out. Tapos, we can assure you na super magaan lang yan. Para hindi masyadong mahirapan yung mother plant. So yun guys, that's how easy it is and super easy din na ma-identify what type of layering is perfect for your mother plant. And I do hope na meron kaming na-share sa inyo na maaari niyong pagpupulutan ng aral. Thank you so much for making it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Pakitap niyo na din po yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!